true. Give me time to reason with you. From time to time, you've heard me say, I hold the arms till Judgment Day. Please, dear, just let me see if the Lord has turned his back on